Here is a beginner-level store manager quiz that covers vendor and supplier coordination, marketing and promotions execution, and performance analysis and reporting. Let's go. Question 1. What is the main role of a store manager in vendor and supplier coordination? A. Negotiating contracts and ensuring timely deliveries. B. Ignoring supplier relationships. C. Ordering products without tracking inventory. And D. Letting vendors decide store pricing. Answer: negotiating contracts and ensuring timely deliveries. Question 2. Which of the following is an effective way to manage supplier relationships? A. Switching suppliers frequently without evaluation. B. Ignoring vendor issues until they escalate. C. Communicating regularly and maintaining transparency. And D. Avoiding contract negotiations. Answer: communicating regularly and maintaining transparency. Question 3. Why is it important to evaluate suppliers regularly? A. To increase store expenses. B. To ensure they meet quality and delivery standards. C. To avoid new vendor opportunities. And D. To eliminate product variety. Answer: to ensure they meet quality and delivery standards. Question 4. What is a key factor when selecting a supplier? A. Their distance from the store. B. Their popularity on social media. C. Their ability to delay deliveries. And D. Pricing, quality and reliability. Answer: pricing, quality and reliability. Question 5. What should a store manager do if a supplier repeatedly delivers faulty products? A. Address the issue and find an alternative supplier if necessary. B. Continue using the same supplier without feedback. C. Avoid checking product quality. And D. Accept faulty goods to avoid supplier conflicts. Answer: address the issue and find an alternative supplier if necessary. Question 6. How can a store reduce risks related to supplier failures? A. Relying on a single vendor for all products. B. Having backup suppliers and diversified sourcing. C. Avoiding contracts or agreements. And D. Ignoring supplier performance reports. Answer: having backup suppliers and diversified sourcing. Question 7. What is the benefit of bulk purchasing from suppliers? A. More frequent stockouts. B. Higher storage costs without benefits. C. Increased product wastage. And D. Cost savings and better negotiation power. Answer: cost savings and better negotiation power. Question 8. What is the main goal of store promotions? A. To confuse customers with random discounts. B. To reduce foot traffic. C. To increase sales and attract customers. And D. To discourage repeat customers. Answer: to increase sales and attract customers. Question 9. Which of these is an effective promotional strategy? A. Ignoring seasonal trends. B. Offering discounts during peak shopping seasons. C. Running promotions without advertising them. And D. Reducing the number of available payment options. Answer: offering discounts during peak shopping seasons. Question 10. Why is targeted marketing important? A. It ensures promotions reach the right audience. B. It decreases sales potential. C. It reduces customer engagement. And D. It limits marketing effectiveness. Answer: it ensures promotions reach the right audience. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the benefit of using social media marketing for a store? A. More difficulty in reaching customers. B. Less customer interaction. C. Increased brand awareness and customer engagement. And D. No impact on store sales. Answer: increased brand awareness and customer engagement. Question 12. Which of these factors affects the success of a promotion? A. Ignoring customer preferences. B. Pricing, timing, and customer demand. C. Running promotions without tracking performance. And D. Using outdated marketing strategies. Answer: pricing, timing, and customer demand. Question 13. What should a store manager do after a promotional campaign ends? A. Repeat the same promotion regardless of results. B. Ignore customer responses. C. Avoid checking sales data. And D. Analyze its effectiveness and adjust future promotions accordingly. Answer: analyze its effectiveness and adjust future promotions accordingly. Question 14. Which of these can help a store increase customer retention? A. Limiting promotional offers. B. Increasing prices without explanation. C. Loyalty programs and personalized discounts. And D. Reducing customer service interactions. Answer: loyalty programs and personalized discounts. Question 15. Why is it important for a store manager to track performance metrics? A. To ignore store performance. B. To identify sales trends and improve operations. C. To make decisions without data. And D. To reduce store efficiency. Answer: to identify sales trends and improve operations. Question 16. Which of these is a key store performance metric? A. Sales revenue and customer foot traffic. B. Employee names. C. Store color themes. And D. Shelf material type. Answer: sales revenue and customer foot traffic. Question 17. How can a store manager assess employee performance? A. Not setting performance goals. B. Ignoring staff contributions. C. Allowing employees to work without monitoring. And D. Tracking sales per employee and customer feedback. Answer: tracking sales per employee and customer feedback. Question 18. What is the purpose of inventory turnover rate analysis? A. To increase stockouts intentionally. B. To ignore stock movement. C. To measure how quickly products sell. And D. To limit sales growth. Answer: to measure how quickly products sell. Question 19. Which tool helps in analyzing store performance effectively? A. Guesswork and assumptions. B. Sales reports and customer data analytics. C. Avoiding technology in reporting, and D. Reducing financial tracking. Answer: sales reports and customer data analytics. Question 20. Why should a store manager review financial statements regularly? A. To track expenses, revenue and profitability. B. To avoid budgeting decisions. C. To increase financial uncertainty. And D. To ignore store performance. Answer: to track expenses, revenue and profitability. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.